This Speedform chin spoiler lip in matte black is an excellent addition for 2015 to 2017 Mustang owners that have a V6 or the GT and EcoBoost without the performance pack. If you're looking to enhance the car's aggressive front end styling while improving aerodynamics, this chin spoiler is going to be ideal for those looking for a sleek, race-inspired appearance without making permanent modifications. This aerodynamic design not only adds a track-inspired look, but also improves stability and handling by channeling air around the lower bumper. Its precision molded construction ensures a seamless fit, blending perfectly with the Mustang's body lines, but just keep in mind that this does not fit the performance pack Mustangs. The matte black finish provides a stealthy OEM-like appearance, but you can also paint it if you're looking for a color match or a more customized look. Made from durable, impact-resistant ABS plastic, this chin spoiler lip is built to withstand road debris, harsh weather, and daily driving conditions. The lightweight yet strong material ensures long-lasting performance without adding any unnecessary weight to that front end. This is going to be UV resistant with the matte black finish to prevent fading and maintain a clean, aggressive look over time. Now, as far as pricing goes on this spoiler lip, it's coming in right around that $100 price range, which is very affordable for something that gives you a custom look with the chance to increase some of those aerodynamics at the same time. Installation on this is going to be very straightforward, so we're rating this a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and you can have this installed in about 30 minutes or less of your time. This chin spoiler is going to mount directly to the factory bumper using all these pre-drilled holes for extra convenience, and all the necessary hardware is going to be included in the kit. So this should be a secure, hassle-free fit. Now let's see exactly how the process goes with an install video from one of our American Muscle customers.
The tools you're going to need are going to be a drill with a Phillips size 2-bit, and I'd recommend some painter's tape to help hold it up if you're doing it alone. You're also going to need what you need to jack the car up, whether that be a jack and jack stands or a lift. The first thing you're going to have to do is jack up your car. Start on one of the sides, and to line it up, line up this bump on the factory splitter with this part right here on the aftermarket one. Once you have the aftermarket splitter lined up, you can use the screws that were provided along with your drill to go ahead and drill it right into its place. Once you're done with the first side, you can go over to the other side and do the exact same thing. Once the two side pieces are on, you can line up the middle by connecting it to the other two side pieces and making sure that the center is right where it lines up with the actual car. Once you have it lined up, you can use the drill and then right in the same holes, drill right into the bumper.
Alright, well that's going to wrap up our review and install of the Speedform chin spoiler lip in matte black for the 2015 to 2017 Mustang V6s or the GT and EcoBoost that don't have the performance pack. And for all things Mustang, keep it right here at AmericanMuscle.com.